Mankind has always been fascinated by how things work. And over the past 6 years, our designers have sought out to give you just that. Let us introduce you to our SEAGULL timepiece, the watch with nothing to hide and everything to see. The SEAGULL design watch allows you to see time in motion. Featuring a fully hollow design, the craftsmanship and complexity of the piece lives in full spectacle. The transparent backplate glimpses further into the handcrafted beauty and dedication of the design team. Now look and listen to the mechanical heartbeat. We wanted not only the aesthetics to be a departure from the norm, but also the mechanics. We employ a custom-made SEAGULL AAA mechanical movement to drive the watch, so you don't have to worry about changing batteries. Reliable and accurate, your daily physical motion will keep you on time to all occasions. Showcasing this intricacy requires significant protection, and our Grade 2 titanium casing does it beautifully. It's 40% stronger, 30% lighter, and way more distinctive than the stainless steel that's the standard choice for other watchmakers. Over top of it all, the SEAGULL watch uses a curvaceous 1.2mm hyperbolide synthetic sapphire. With a hardness rating just below diamonds, this watch is effectively scratch resistant. It will fully meet the daily needs of regular users, and its compliance with the 3 ATTEN waterproof standards means that splashes and rain won't stop time. The strap is every bit as important as the watch face to express who you are. We've adopted a 3D silicone design, adding a breath of youthfulness to a mature timepiece. Sophisticated but not old-fashioned, the food-grade silicone band minimizes impacts to your skin, so you can wear with ultimate comfort. If the occasion calls for something different, a quick change Loctite spring bar lets you alter your look to leather in no time. We invite you to wear the watch as intricate as you. SEAGULL, for those who demand different.